Okay, in this video we've got a lever, and when it's unlocked, it's not, normally you would unlock it, then you'd pull the handle back, but the latch is not pulling back. When I have a close look, the secondary has enough room to push all the way in. So, to get this door open and replaced, I'm going to use my little J tool, pop it in here on an angle, get to the front of the latch, and pull. Pushka. I can see automatically that's gone. The secondary is gone. That should be popping back out. So I think the easiest thing is a new lock. Nothing happening in here, no, just a fire exit. Alright, let's get it off the door. So pretty much the latch is gone. I don't know why, but it's gone to God. Yeah, I can see bits of that falling all over the place. Look at that. That should not be doing that. Oh, so there's half of it. Where's the other half? There's the other half. Now, in theory, we could replace the latch, but because this is commercial, we've got to replace the whole thing. It means that none of these other parts will fail. So let's do that. Here's our latch. Check our back set, it's not 60, 70. And there it goes. 70, so it's in the center. I should probably use these screws. Screws don't fail. It's flush. Now there is an instructions here, see instructions, what that means is got to get the hole in the right spot. So that should be a straightforward swap. There we go. Here's our new one. We want this cut out on this side. Okay. Seated properly. The key goes in, turn. Working good. Hole to here. It's tight. Let's have a look at this. Now that is a little bit bigger, it's on an angle. This one's a stainless steel one, it's a bit chunkier. Let's check it locks in. Okay, so it's not latching, now it is. So we're going to adjust the door closer. this one needs to push a little bit more. Okay, now it's locked in. Show the key. So turn the key, pull the lever. Okay, so we'll adjust the door closer in a second. So what did we just fit? RH 6062 SC, available from our lock shop. There it is there. We replaced exactly the same type of lock set that had a different shape of handle, as you can see. So that was the old one, this is a new one, same. Outside's always locked, inside's always free. Key to access it from the outside. Thanks for watching.